Passion. That's my word for the day. This is Stephen Price with Grow Together, and passion. Aren't there things that you're passionate about? You know, there's 24 hours in a day, every day. I don't care if you're rich or if you're poor, if you're young, if you're old, if you're big, if you're small, you got 24 hours. And you can use those 24 hours any way you want to. And God has made it possible for us to have passions. Now, my passion is to work with my plants and also to put together, grow together. But you know, when I was looking this up, some people were saying that nowadays you don't follow your passions. And I thought, well, why in the world wouldn't you follow your passions? Because, see, passions are something that you really enjoy doing. Passions are those things that you don't mind even spending your money on. Passions are those things that when you're doing them, you don't even realize that time is passing. But they say your passions can change. But I say that's a good thing. We follow our passions because that's how God allows us to make a difference in this world. For you see, God gives us passions, and they're also tied to our emotions. There's things we love, and there's things we don't love. There's things we enjoy, and there's things we just can barely tolerate. You know, there's both sides there. But just because they say your passions can change, don't follow your passions. I say they're a good thing. What's your passion? Have you spent some time with it? Have you decided, hey, this is really my passion? What is it? Sometimes you just have to make a list. Look at what you're spending time doing, okay? Because it's something that God will bless. Man, passions are a great thing. I hope you follow your passions. I'm trying to follow mine. This is Stephen Price. Grow together, and anything is possible with God.